It's gonna be Republic Day in a few days, so let's take some shots at home again. Let's begin.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And first of all, I want to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. It is the day that brought a structure and identity to our country in the form of our constitution. So to celebrate it, I'm going to do a Republic Day themed photo shoot at home about India, its flag, its colors and whatnot. So let's get started.
My mom has a decent collection of bangles, so I found saffron, white and green ones. By the way, that's my mom's hand. Let's click. My mom is also fond of embroidery, so I'm gonna borrow some thread spools from her. Yes, my mom is great. I've made a gift box, just a matchbox. I have wrapped in orange and white gift paper and tied it with a green ribbon. I've also made some confetti, just colored paper that I've cut in fine pieces. Now let me take a cup and make the confetti spill out of it. I've got this badge of our flag. I'm gonna click it with some confetti. The badge pinned to my shirt, close to my heart. I've made some flowers with colored paper. I've painted white paper with some watercolors. Some more flowers, little bigger ones this time. I've attached a flower to some wool to make it look like a rakhi. I've made a fan with paper I've painted in tricolor. Simple one that we used to make in school. Let me click it with some confetti. Clicking it with some flowers. Portrait with the fan. Close-up portrait with the flower. Next, food photography. For saffron, I'm using turmeric, white salt and green coriander powder. Tur dal, rice and green moong on a spoon. Trying my hand at food photography, sandwiches with orange and green chutney.
So guys, I hope you liked this photo shoot that I did at home. In case you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. And I want to wish you a happy Republic Day once again. I hope you spend a peaceful one with your family. And here is my previous photo shoot, a Ganpati themed one. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.